Hello everyone. Now today we are going to start a new topic of the chapter 14, that is electric circuit. As we have discussed in the last video, the electric current or electricity or electric energy. Electric energy means it's a form of energy and which can be converted into other form of energy. Next is electric current. Electric current means the flow of electric charge, the flow of electric energy. It is known as electric current. So we are saying electric current means the flow of electric energy or the flow of electric charge. It means electrons. So whenever the flow, we are talking about the flow, it means they have to adopt one path. Like if we are moving from one place to another place, so always we adopt one path through which we can reach to another place, and we are moving from one place and we can reach to another place. So similarly, electric current, it adopts one path through which it can easily flow. So we can define the electric circuit. A complete path through which electric current flows is called electric circuit. It means electric current flows through an electric circuit, means it's a complete path through which electric current can easily flow. It is known as electric circuit. It means electric current, it also adopts a path through which it can easily flow, and this path is known as electric circuit. Now you can see in the diagram there are different components of electric circuit, because whenever we are talking about electric circuit, so we need different components. Like electric current, it is coming to our houses and it is coming to our offices. So there are different components like switch, like connecting wires, like different appliances and the battery or whatever else. So for current flowing, electric circuit is needed, and the different components are needed for making the electric circuit. Now you can see in the diagram, this is the electric circuit and these are the different components of the electric circuit. Like this is a bulb, this is a connecting wire, this is a switch or key, and it's a cell which is source of electric current. But you can see the diagram of electric circuit, but in this diagram the original picture of the components of the electric circuit means bulb, the cell and the switch. But if we are using more than one component, if we are using more and bigger appliances like fridge, so we can't draw this circuit diagram. We have to use symbols for showing the components of the electric circuit. So as we are saying, for making the electric circuit we need different components like bulb, connecting wires, switch and cell or battery, which is the source of electric current. But whenever we use more than one appliances and bigger appliances in the electric circuit, we can't use the actual picture of the appliances. So we have to use the symbols of the appliances, and we have to use the symbols of components of electric circuit. So our next topic is components of electric circuit with symbol. So the first component and important component of the electric circuit, that is switch. So switch, we can define the switch means a device which is used to on or off the electric circuit. It means with the help of switch we can on the electric circuit and we can off the electric circuit. So it's a very important component of the electric circuit, and the switch which we use in the electric circuit, it is also known as key, and it's a very important component of the electric circuit. So as we are saying, it is used to on or off the electric circuit. So as we switch on, the electric current start flowing in the electric circuit. So and as we switch off, the electric current does not flow in the electric circuit. So when we switch on, electric current start flowing and bulb will glow, and maybe some other appliances they will start working. And when we switch off, the electric current will not flow in the electric circuit, and the appliances they will not work and bulb will not glow. It means we can say with the help of switch, the electric current we can stop or start in the electric circuit. So it's a main component of the electric circuit. Now the symbol of switch, this is the symbols of switch, because we can't use the actual picture of the components in the electric circuit, so we have to use always symbols. So these are the symbols of electric. These are the symbols of switch. This symbol, it is showing the on position of the switch, and this symbols of the switch, it is showing the off position of the switch. It means in this condition the current will not flow and the appliances and the bulb will not glow. But when the switch it is in off position, it means in this condition the electric current will not flow in the electric circuit and current will not flow and the appliances they will not work. So this is the about of the switch. The next component of electric circuit, that is cell or battery. As we are saying, the cell or battery, it is a source of electric current. So we can define the cell, it is a source of electric current in the circuit, and the symbol of cell, it is the symbol of cell, where there are two lines, one is bigger line and another is smaller line, and the side of bigger line there is a positive terminal and the side of smaller line there is a negative terminal. Because whenever we see the cell, always there are two symbols, two signs on the cell. One side there is a positive terminal and another side there is a negative terminal. So this is the symbol of electric cell. Next, battery. A combination of two or more cells together is called a battery. When we combine two or more cells, because maybe in some appliances, for working of some appliances, we need more amount of current, we need more amount of electric energy. So one cell, it is not sufficient in the electric circuit. We have to join more than one cell for working of these appliances. So the battery we have to use, and battery means a combination of two or more cells together is called a battery. Whenever we join two or more cells, it is known as battery. Now the symbol of battery, you can see, because we are saying this is a symbol of cell, single cell, and this is the symbol of battery because we are joining more than two cells. So this is a symbol of one cell and we are joining more than one cell and it is known as battery. So this is the symbol of battery. Now you can see in the symbol of battery we are joining because it has a two terminal. Always the cell, it has a two terminals. One side it's a positive terminal and another side it's a negative terminal. So for making a battery, always we have to join the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of another cell. Like you can see in this diagram, in this symbol, the negative terminal of the one cell and it is connected with the positive terminal of another cell. Then it's a negative terminal of this cell and it is connected with the positive terminal of another cell. So always the one terminal, it means positive terminal, always connected with the negative terminal. We can't join the same terminal, we can't join the positive terminal to the positive terminal or negative terminal to the negative terminal for making a battery, because in this condition the current will not flow and the appliances will not work. So this is the component of electric. Now next component of electric circuit, that is conducting wire or connecting wire. Connecting wire means it joins with the help of the connecting wire. All the components of the electric circuit, they are joined in the circuit with the help of this, like bulb and switch and bulb, switch and source of electric current means cell or battery. They are joined together with the help of connecting wire. And the connecting wire, it is always made up of conducting material. Conducting material means a material through which the electricity can easily flow. So for making the connecting wire, always the material, it is made up of conducting material. Always the connecting wire, they are made up of conducting material. And the best conducting material for making the connecting wire, this is copper, because silver is the best conductor of electricity, but silver is an expensive metal, so we can't use for making the connecting wire the silver we can't use. So instead of using silver, we use copper, because copper is also the good conductor of electricity and it's cheaper than silver. So always we use copper for making the connecting wire. So always the connecting wire, they are made up of conducting material and it is joined for the flow of current. With the help of connecting wire, the electric current can easily flow from one part of the circuit to the another part, because all the components of the electric circuit, they are joined together with the help of the connecting wire in the circuit. Now you can see the symbol of electric circuit. It's a very simple symbol. It's a only straight line for the connecting wire. Now the last component of electric circuit, that is devices or appliances. The devices may be bulb, motor or any other devices because they need current for working. So they are also joined in the electric circuit. But generally for experiment in the lab we use bulb as a device. So the symbol of bulb, this is a symbol of bulb, and this symbol it is showing the bulb is glowing, and this symbol of a bulb it means the bulb is not glowing. So mainly this is the symbol of bulb, and generally we use bulb in the electric circuit on a very small scale. So we have discussed different components of the electric circuit, and also we have discussed about the symbols of electric circuit, because whenever we are using bigger appliances or more appliances in the electric circuit, so we can't use the actual pictures of the appliances, so we have to use the symbol. By using a symbol we can draw the diagram of electric circuit. This is the electric circuit diagram of electric circuit, and they are showing the different symbols of the electric component. It is the bulb and it is a glowing bulb. This is the connecting wire, and this is the cell, and this is the switch. Switch, you can see the switch is in on position, it means current is flowing, and cell is the source of electric current, and it is a two terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal, and this is the symbol of bulb. So you can see the current is flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. So always the current in the electric circuit it flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. So also in this circuit the electric current is flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Thank you for watching my video.